day 2 of our adventures. This is our Webesto diesel heater, which is not working, and we'll be getting service. You want to take a guess what's wrong with it? So stay tuned. I just wanted to give you an update. Day 2 and 3 we spent in Pennsylvania. We had our diesel heater repaired at Bethel Truck Service in Bethel, Pennsylvania. Here you can see our rig in the shop. And thanks to Isaiah and Derek and the owner and Kelly for all the help. We really appreciate it. Here we are parked at Jonestown Hershey KOA, and then we saw this vehicle also in the same campground, and they're YouTubers. I thought it was an awesome vehicle. Go check them out. Blaze Our Way on YouTube. Go check out their channel. And as always, leave it better than you found it. Make it a great day. God bless, and we'll see you on the next video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and hit the bell notification. God bless. See you soon. Bye for now.